Okay, everybody, I wanted to explain what we're going to be doing in this station. This is station number 2. It is a vocabulary station. So in addition to us, learning directly, um, sections of Gemara, which you'll do in station number 3 with me, and also in addition to, some of the exercises of us answering questions, maybe understanding the comprehension of the Gemara, we also want to develop some deeper skills of understanding some of the key words that the Gemara uses again and again, not just that have an explanation, but like we've explained in class, that have a certain function to them. I call these words code words because the Gemara, again, has no punctuation. There are no periods or question marks, or it doesn't tell you when it's about to be a quote. But the Gemara utilizes certain code words to introduce a specific step that the Gemara is trying to present, whether that is a question or an answer or a contradiction, which we'll explain what that means a little later. The Gemara uses these different code words to indicate what it's about to do. So what we'll be doing from time to time is focusing on one of those code words. This is not really, I guess, the vocab Foursquare. It's really code word Foursquare, where we're going to take some of our keywords and develop a better understanding of it by doing the following. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the words that are listed in the packet in the keyword section. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to write the word over here where it says word. Right? You'll actually write the word in the top left blank section. In the top right area in your packet, you will use that word in a sentence that you make up. Actually, step back. Before you write the sentence, you'll actually do the explanation. Right? You'll write the word over here. You'll explain the word. You'll explain the code word, what exactly it does. You'll then use the word in a sentence that you'll make up your own. This is a sentence that you've totally made up on your own using the keyword, the code word. And finally, you'll find some picture using Google, some picture that symbolizes the word for you. Just another way to help it kind of sink in to your mind of what it's all about. So let's use an example. So for example, if the word was Tanu Rabbanan, let's try to get this actually in Hebrew. You guys will be really impressed with my Hebrew typing skills over here. So if it was Tanu, I think it's going to go backwards. Yeah, that happens sometimes. Okay, we'll just cross cut this, right? Let's say our word was Tanu Rabbanan. So the first thing you'd have to do is explain what Tanu Rabbanan means. Get my Canadian flag back. Tanu Rabbanan means our rabbis learn, or they taught, in a Braita. That's what the direct translation is. But what the code word actually does is, this phrase is used when the Gemara is about to introduce a Braita. Okay, the phrase used when the Gemara is about to introduce a Braita, or you could say a teaching from a Braita. Okay, very good. So using that information, and early on, I'm actually going to give you these two. I'll give you the word. I'll also give you, kind of the background of it. You're really going to be responsible for this side of the page, to put this into a creative sentence and to find a picture online. So a sentence you could make up, for example, you could say, Tanu Rabbanan, our rabbis learn, Tanu Rabbanan, we should use a siddur to daven. We should always look in our siddur to daven out of it. You can make up whatever you want. But our rabbis learn in a Braita, we should always look in a Siddur Daven out of it. Tanu Rabbanan introduces a Braita. And finally, you'll find any picture online that to you symbolizes the concept of Tanu Rabbanan. So with this one might be a little bit trickier, right? It doesn't fit naturally in a sentence, maybe as much. But we're going to have a number of words that probably do fit a lot better. And for today, at this station, you're going to open up your packet and do the squares, complete the 4 squares of the words that are listed over there. Okay? Hatzlacha.